Welcome to the channel. If the power button on your Samsung phone is broken, stuck, or simply doesn't work anymore, you may think that turning the phone back on is impossible, and if you search for a solution on YouTube, you will probably find the same method everywhere. The instructions usually say to press and hold the volume buttons, connect the phone to a computer or laptop, and wait for the download mode screen to appear. Then, supposedly, you can press the volume down button and the phone will restart and boot normally. The problem is that this method does not always work anymore on some Samsung phones running newer versions of Android, including Android 15 and Android 16. The old button combination may behave differently. So you can follow the instructions exactly as shown in those videos and still get absolutely no result. But don't worry, because there is another solution. And the best part is that you don't need a computer, another phone, special software, or any complicated tools. If your Samsung is currently turned on but the power button doesn't work, the easiest solution may simply be to let the battery run completely empty. Just leave the phone turned on and wait until the battery reaches 0%. If the screen stays on for a long time, the battery will drain even faster. Eventually, the phone will shut down by itself. Once it is completely powered off, connect it to a normal wall charger. Now, you need to be patient. Don't immediately start pressing random buttons. Leave the phone connected to the charger and give it some time. Depending on the Samsung model, you may first see the charging indicator, and after that the phone can start automatically. This is especially useful when the phone itself is working normally but the physical power button is damaged. So, if the traditional YouTube method doesn't work on your Samsung after updating to Android 15 or Android 16, don't assume that you're doing something wrong. Try allowing the battery to completely discharge and then connect the phone to a charger. And if this method worked for you, let me know your Samsung model in the comments. That way, other users can see which devices support this solution. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tutorials.